Japan's trains are famous worldwide for their punctuality. On average, delays are measured in just a few seconds. The reasons are many. First, the railway staff are trained with strict discipline, where every second of the schedule is accounted for. At each station, trains follow a fixed timetable with precision. Advanced technology, like automatic signaling and control systems, ensures both safety and timeliness. Even if a delay occurs, passengers often receive an official apology letter. This is why Japanese railways are trusted and respected across the world. For more such informative videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.